Now that you're done using your CPM machine, I'd like to show you how to break it down to be able to fit it comfortably into a box and send it back to Medequip. First thing that I'd like you to do is remove all of the fleece padding from the machine. After you've removed the fleece padding, we'd like you to turn the machine on and run it down as flat as it possibly can go. That requires you taking the extension down to a negative. This machine goes to a -10. Once you have -10 set as your parameter on your extension, please push the start button and run the machine completely flat. Once the machine is completely flat, we'd like you to take the foot cradle out. Remove the foot cradle by loosening the 2 black knobs on the foot cradle to release it. Next, turn the 2 black knobs next to the foot cradle counterclockwise to loosen and release the cradle from the machine. We're going to have you turn it over and just place it right back on top of the machine. Once you have the foot cradle out, we're going to want you to take the hip bar out. All you have to do is find the hip bar and locate the 2 metal pins on the lateral side of the machine. I'd like you to pull the top pin out and release the round part of the hip bar from the top of the machine. Next, find the pin at the base of the machine, pull that out, and release the square part of the hip bar from the base of the machine. Now you have your hip bar completely removed. Place that on top of your machine and you're ready to ship. Once you have your machine completely broken down, you'll be able to place it inside one of our shipping boxes. All of our packing and shipping instructions are laminated to the inside of the top of the box. But if you do have any questions, please feel free to call us at 970-476-7701.